How to set line spacing 1.5 in Word document. To do that, first you need to select the text using a mouse or a keyboard. Under the Home tab, here you will see the option of line and paragraph spacing. Click on the downward arrow and then select the option 1.5. However, remember that this will be applicable to only the selected text. So if you want to apply this setting to the whole document as a default only to this document, then right click and click on paragraph option. And next to the line spacing, under the spacing option, you need to select here 1.5. You will see the preview here and then click on set as default. So you will be asked if you want this default option to this document only or all documents based on normal template. So just select the first option and then click on OK to set line spacing to 1.5 in Word document. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn about thesis writing in Microsoft Word. See you again in the next one.